Let me calculate and see. So let me calculate and see these answers. So B is almost same. B is same like A. You have 6 positions. Here you have 1. 1 into 1. K by Kai. 1 into
The
1.
D is for 62.
Wait. 1 into 1. Then 2. 2 into 1. Then 4. 4 into 0. You can see it's 0. 4 into 0. 8. 8 into 1. And 16 into 1. Then you have to add 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 16 plus 24 plus 2 is 26 plus 1 is 27. Generally you missed the last one, so it should be 27. I think you have found the answer error. Generally you found the error. Yeah, I think you right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the
Sir, I
next
put the answer for D and E.
you need D and E. Okay, D and E. So let's let's simplify for answer for D and E. Right, this is D. So you have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 cells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cells. So I'm going to write the values 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And I'm going to simplify this without writing the power. I'm going to write the positional value. Ones, 2, it's always double. Base 10 වල තිබ්බ මොකද්ද? Base 10 වල එක තිබ්බත් 1 ඒවා 10 ඒවා 100 ඒවා 10 ඒවා 10000 ඒවා ලක්ෂ ඒවා එහෙම. But in base 2 numbers, binary numbers, it always double. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Then you have to add this. 1 from 1. 2's again 1. 4's you don't have. But you have 8's and 16's. 8's, yes. 16, yes. 32's you don't have. 64 you have 1. 64 plus 16 is 80. 80 plus 8 is 88 plus 2 is 90 plus 1 is 91. Most of the students got that correctly. That is 91. Okay, most of you got that correct. That is 91. The next one is 111 111. Ones, twos, fours, 8s, 16s, and 32s. Altogether, what is the value? 32 plus 8 is 40 plus 56 plus 60, 63. The value is 63. Okay, so you got that. 65? How it comes 65? Again, add again. 32 plus 8 is 40. 40 plus 16 is 56. 56 plus 4 is 60. 60 plus 2 is 62 plus 1 is 63. Okay, the last one. You don't have ones, no twos, no fours, no eights, 16s, 32s, 64s, you don't have anything. But you have only 128, that is 128. So that is easy. Because you don't have other, you have only 128, so it's 128 in decimal. Understood or not? How
Yes,
many
sir.
all correct? All correct?
My one correct, sir.
All correct. Okay, one got all correct. Pasindu. Anyone else? All correct. Yes, Tenojan. Good.
Sir, can you tell the answer to the A and B?
A and B, it's here. A 16, 18, B 27.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay. You got all correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Right, you have to try these things. This is in the workbook. Yes, all are correct. Good, Shami. Right? So anyway, I'll add more questions to your LMS, and actually, so this is the last one. This is the last activity, and with that, this lesson will be over. That's very easy lesson. It seems it's very easy lesson. Only thing is you have to calculate these things. Otherwise, you will forget how to calculate and all. Then activity 1.5. Okay, read the activity. It says using the information. So it's asking to name these labels. So 1, 2, 3. Where you can put 1, 2, and 3 in this scenario illustration. Where you can put 1, 2, and 3. 1. As the word ICT type, the data flows binary pattern from pattern to the system unit. As the word ICT type, when you type word ICT, it's going to the system unit. Which one? It's going to the system unit. Which one? Yes?
The one in the middle.
It's here. It's here.
I wrote the system.
Yeah, this is number 1. Can tell this as number 1. Okay, then the binary data saved the computer, memory flows, printer and prints the word ICT. Binary data saved in the computer memory from the RAM, it will go to printer. RAM to printer.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
system need the
Wrote the printer.
go to the printer. This one. So answer is easy. Easy to find answer. This is number 2. Then next one. The binary data saved in the computer memory flows to the monitor. Binary will flow to the monitor and display ICT in the screen. That is
Third one.
that is 3. 3 will come. This is number 3. So if you can fill like this, that is it. And with that, we will be finishing our workbook. Okay, that is so we learned more than this. We learned octal numbers, easy methods of converting octals, hexadecimals, and all. But those are not there in the book, not there in the syllabus. But we have learned some additional things. But forget about additional things. It is compulsory to remember the things related to your syllabus. Don't forget these things. Watch this video again and again and understand how this calculation happened and try to remember this.
Sir, where do you put this video?
Videos basically we will put to the YouTube and share the link to Edmodo. But for last
Okay,
2 weeks, I think there's a delay and you will not be able to find the video. But I'll try my level best to put it today or tomorrow.
Sir, can you please put the video from the class yesterday, grade 7?
Yeah,
English
sure.
medium?
I'll put that as well. I'll put that as well. I think grade 7 was already published anyway. Grade 7
sir,
one.
can't you put it to the
YouTube?
WhatsApp group?
Yeah, it's in the YouTube.
Okay,
The
sir. Thank you.
WhatsApp group, can you put it?
Yeah, sure. I can put it. Once I upload, I'll share to the WhatsApp. Right. Okay. Then, so the special activity targeting the next lesson is a practical. So now I'm going to be busy with this because I have to give you individual support for the practicals, which is not really easy task because here we have around 15 students. Just give me a second, right? Okay, right? Who's playing drums? I think there's a space for you, right? Those who are having special talents, we have started a group. Right? Those who are having special talents, we have started a group in Edmodo. So you can share your innovations there. Go to Edmodo and then access. There's a special group called ICT. Yeah, here this one ICT friends. So you can go and publish your talents here. So then it's easy because we will be offering a small gift each 3 months. We will select one and of a small gift. So if you have special talents, just go and publish a video there. Right? Even you can write article, even you can submit drawing, or if you are good in dance, you can submit your dancing video, whatever. Right? So not in the class time, but when you are free, please go and submit it there. It's ICT friend, and group code is this. There's a special group code for that. I have shared that using WhatsApp. NKKUHV. NKKUHV. That is special group code. You can just go and submit. Okay, let's move. So targeting this lesson, configuring and formatting a computer, you have special software to be installed into your computer. So that software is called, let's go to Google, that software is called Oracle VirtualBox. Please go and access Oracle VirtualBox and download, go to the downloads, this one, Oracle VirtualBox, search it and go to downloads. Then you can, if you are using a Windows machine, you can just click this link, it will download VirtualBox for Windows machine. But if you are using OS X or Mac OS, you can click the second link. Or if you are using Solaris, you can click that, but I think no one is using Solaris now.
So what does it do?
So that is to create computer inside your computer. A virtual computer you can create inside your computer. You know, computer body computer that is virtual, not real.
So is it compulsory, sir?
Yeah, it's compulsory because then only we can do.
So have you put this?
Sorry.
So why do we need VirtualBox?
So then only we can install operating system and see, right? So because here,
Opera.
Here in this,
Sir,
you have formatted computer and all. So,
can you go back to the page again for 1 minute?
right, sure.
So I can't hear you clearly. To download what?
Download VirtualBox.
Sir,
And then what we download it?
So we need to actually do our next practical, that is configuring and formatting a computer.
Okay, sir.
You can't, so please be silent, okay? So you can't format your computer now because you have data in it. Maybe it belongs to your father or mother. You can't change or format, or you can't change that. So therefore we need a computer to work with. So it is not feasible to buy a new computer and do this now. Therefore, what you can do easily, you can create a computer inside your computer. Computer inside your computer. Then you can format it, you can install any operating system, you can do any change, and that will not affect your original computer. That's why. Understood?
yes, sir.
Okay.
So after that, what are we going to do?
So not today, actually after that I'll share you a spreadsheet, a schedule.
Sir, it's almost finished.
Which?
It's finished. That's why I'm asking.
Finish downloading?
Yeah.
Right, then you can install that.
So for Windows, if we need to download this app for Windows, we should choose Windows host.
Yeah, Windows host. True. So after downloading.
So now it is completed, sir.
Right.
Now.
Okay.
And sir, did you put that friends thing?
Sorry.
Have you put that passcode for friends in Edmodo?
Yeah, I put that. I have.
Okay, sir.
Sir, after that, what are we going to do? After that?
Then you are going to install the software, right? So let me download for OS X and show. I'm going to download it for OS X, means my operating system. Okay. After downloading that, what you can do is you can install the software. After installing, I'll help you to create computer. Don't worry. I'll help you create a computer inside your computer because I will publish a schedule. I will publish a schedule, then I will individually connect to your machine, your computer, and help you install, help you format your computer, that means a virtual computer.
Sir, it is done, sir. Then it says, welcome to the Oracle VM VirtualBox. Then I have to go next.
Yeah. So anyway,
After
so
that?
let me share these things quickly, right? So after that, you can ask the questions if you have any. Okay. After that, I will connect to your machine. I will connect to your machine and help you install this. And after installing, I'll help you format and create a new machine inside your machine. And then we can install any operating system to that machine. That is individual practical. And I'll anyway, first I'll give you a guidance video. I'll create a guidance video and I'll send it to your WhatsApp group. You can watch that and follow the video. Then you can install the Windows or Linux or Mac OS or anything inside your computer.
Sir, can you help me to download VirtualBox?
Yeah, sure. I'll do
I'll
that.
give the ID and password.
Sorry,
Sir, shall I give the ID and password?
not just now because I'm having another class now, right?
Okay, sir.
So
Sir,
maybe,
you can tell the method now. Sir.
yeah, I can tell the method. Sure, I'll send it. I'll send the video tutorial to your group, WhatsApp group.
Sir, can you tell it now?
Now,
Yes, sir.
okay. Now I have to download and show you the steps. That's why. So it will take some time to download. Here it's 118 megabyte. If I down resume this, okay, wait. It's going. It's going.
Sir, my one is completely downloaded.
Yeah. Only thing is, then I have to connect. Then you have to disconnect from this one. First, you have to disconnect from Zoom and send me the what? Send me the ID and password. Then I can help.
What ID and password, sir?
TeamViewer ID and password. Then I can connect to your machine.
Okay, sir, okay.
Right?
Sir, through WhatsApp or what?
Yeah, through WhatsApp. You have to disconnect from Zoom.
Okay, sir.
Disconnect.
Can you, sir, tell it again?
Disconnect from Zoom and then send me the WhatsApp. Then WhatsApp me the TeamViewer ID and password. Then I can connect.
Okay, sir.
But only I have 2 minutes only, right? I have 2 minutes only because I have to start the next class. That's why I said I'll send you a video.
Sir, at what time I will send it to you?
So if you can send it now itself. Then I can try to show, but not sure because I have to go start the next class. That's why. That's why I said I'll send a video to you, and by following that video, you can do that. Don't worry, I'll send the video tomorrow itself. Right?
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. Okay, then with that, I'll stop for today, and because we have to start grade 9 class as well.
Sir, can I tell it now?
Which one?
ID and password of my one?
May I know your name? Is it Eranga or who's this?
My name is Shamin, sir.
Shamin. Already one has sent me my username and password. That's why I asked. That is Tenoja.
Sir, can I send it?
You can also send, but unfortunately, I cannot log in now. That's the thing. Shamin, you have to wait. Okay, wait for some time. I'll send you the video. Then you can look at the video and that's all.
Through what I
I
have
send the ID and the password.
Okay. Right. Then thank you very much. Let's discuss the remaining part next day. You can send me the ID and password maybe after 9:30.
Okay, sir.
After 9:30, if you send, then I can connect. Okay.
So shall I WhatsApp
sir.
it now?
Okay. Fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay. Good night. Bye.
Thank you.
Good night, bye, sir.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Once are
Good night.
Goodbye, sir.
Bye.